Okay, for inflation correction, so this adjusts for movement in general price level over time. So inflation ini dia berkait rapat dengan price level. Maknanya harga barang dan perkhidmatan dalam pasaran. So when we have a sustained increase in price level, which it means that inflation rate is increases. Itu maksudnya itulah inflation. So to adjust the amount in present period for expected inflation in the future period, the value must be converted to nominal value for that period. So kita kena convert value kepada nominal value. So nominal value nak dapat macam mana Real value times dengan 1 plus P. P tu apa? Expected inflation rate. So the formula tu you boleh tengok sendiri dekat slides tu. And then kita juga convert. Lepas dapat nominal value, kita boleh convert to real value. So real value pula, nominal value, divided by 1 plus P T. So this conversion untuk real, from nominal to real ni juga kita panggil sebagai deflation. Right? Okay. So after that, kita nak tahu pula macam mana nak derive time adjusted benefit and cost. Macam mana kita nak derive time adjusted for benefit and cost. So this time adjusted magnitude for incremental benefits and incremental costs are called the present value benefit and present value cost, PVB dengan PVC. So what is PVB? Present value benefit. It is the time adjusted magnitude of incremental benefits associated with an environmental policy change. So dia punya formula, you can look at your slides. PVB equals to summation BT divided by 1 plus RS times T. So BT tu apa? BT adalah real benefit. And what is PVC? PVC adalah present value cost. Is the time adjusted magnitude of incremental costs associated with an environmental policy change. Okay, so PVC kita tukar je lah, BT tadi tu kita tukar kepada CT. C tu apa? CT adalah real cost. So that is the formula untuk kita nak cari present value benefit dan present value cost. So that is time adjusted for benefit and also cost. Okay. Right. After that, we look at the final analysis. So kita nak tengok final analysis. So final analysis ni kita nak compare benefit and cost. Sebab bila kita compare benefit and cost, kita akan tahu sama ada the project ataupun the policy itu adalah feasible or not, viable or not, good or not. So dia ada two steps. Two steps. The first step, determine whether or not an option is feasible from a benefit cost perspective. Step number 2, evaluate all feasible options based on decision rule and then select a single best solution. So these are the two steps. So kita go into detail pula. Step number 1, kita determine feasibility. So macam mana nak determine feasibility? So this is a common way to do this. So kita akan tengok benefit cost ratio of PVB and PVC. Kita compare dengan ratio itu dengan 1. Jadi if the policy ratio itu, the ratio of policy itu is greater than 1. Value dia kalau greater than 1, bila kita compare PVB dengan PVC itu, value dia lebih dari 1. Option ini maksudnya feasible. Number 2, under step 1. Number 2 pula, so an equivalent test pula, kita guna present value of net benefit. So kita tolakkan PVB dengan PVC, kita compare dengan 0. Kalau PVB, PVC kita tolakkan dapat PNVB, present value net benefit. Kalau value dia greater than 0, kita kata polisi ini feasible. Kalau not greater than 0, less than 0, kita kata it will be rejected. So itu adalah the first step. Macam mana kita nak determine feasibility. Kemudian second step, kita nak select among the feasible options. So in practice, the decision making process used to select among feasible options guided by allocative efficiency and cost effectiveness. So kalau kita nak achieve allocative efficiency, so kita nak maximize present value net benefit, PVNB. Ya. So kalau kita nak, ingat kalau kita nak achieve allocative efficiency, kita nak maximize PVNB. Kalau kita nak achieve cost effectiveness, kita nak minimize PVNC tadi tu. Ya, kita nak minimize the cost. So that is how we choose among the feasible options. Right? And then the last part adalah, this is the last part. Reservation about the use of benefit cost analysis. So ini kita nak tengok sama ada benefit and cost analysis ini adakah dia adalah analisis yang terbaik atau tidak. So even though the cost and benefit atau kita panggil benefit or cost analysis ini adalah viable strategy, but it is also has several flaws, keburukan lah. So the critics are, the first one, there will be inherent problem lah, sebab kita nak measure accurately the benefit and cost is not easy. Bukan senang kita nak cari value of benefit and cost. And then, so the failure of the approach is that it hardly address potential equity problems. So there are several problems that is not easy to identify. So that's why, even though it seems viable, it seems feasible, it seems good, a good policy, it's a good analysis, tapi maybe it's hard or difficult for us ataupun for the policy maker to find the benefit and cost value, right? And then I will show you one or two examples on how to find for this feasibility.